Hey, so I'm here in my garage. That's where my washer and dryer are. And I have a Tuesday tip for you. So I don't like dryer sheets because they have lots of bad chemicals in them. They have lots of synthetic things. And even when you smell the fragrance and your clothes smell great, it's not a true essential oil, even if it's said that it has essential oils in it. Essential oils are very rare and they are not cheap. Companies do not put therapeutic grade essential oils in dryer sheets. They just don't. So this is my solution to keep my clothes and my kids' clothes smelling awesome, but not having to buy dryer sheets, and it's cheaper too. That's what's so awesome. So dryer balls, I only have one left. I need to make some more. So you can either make them or you can buy them. There's lots of places online to buy them. Just make sure they're 100% wool. You can also make them. Go to Pinterest and just type in how to make wool dryer balls, and 100,000 things will come up on how to make them. Initially I had made some. I bought these because I ran out of time and didn't want to make new ones. So super easy thing to do. Serenity essential oil. So this is my favorite to put on dryer balls. So this will make the clothes smell like a lavender, vanilla sort of smell, kind of like a lot of the dryer sheets. You also can use a citrusy one. I like Citrus Bliss. That also smells awesome. It's like a vanilla citrus sort of smell. If you have nasty, gross sports clothes, Purify is the one you need. It takes out all that nasty sweat, gross smell from all of the sports clothes. We have soccer and baseball, and afterwards when the kids have been playing, it's just super gross. You can also put the Purify in with the laundry to get that nasty smell out too. So how do you do this? Super easy. I just actually keep a bottle of Serenity in my little basket with my dryer stuff. So you just go 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5, more or less. And then throw it in with all your clothes in your dryer, and don't have to keep buying dryer sheets. Dryer sheets are nasty and have nasty chemicals, and it ends up being cheaper for you, not just because you're not buying dryer sheets, but you also are having shorter drying times, which uses less energy, and that saves you money too. So that's my Tuesday tip for you. Have a great day.